What is up, motherfuckers? Today we are going to unbox this Vulcan welding card. I do not have a knife, so I'm going to use this copy of Arsen Petsostrov CD to open up the box. Fixed. Okay, let's unbox the box and see what is in the box. Instructions. This is for retards. We don't need this one. Okay. Metal piece. Okay, I want to say right off the bat, the plastic is very good plastic. This one you can wrap around your head very easily. Okay, next. Wow. We have two wheels. This one. More box. Okay, this one. Toolbox. How do you open this? Oh shit. Okay, these pieces. Boom. Okay, now I'm going to do a quick snap of the fingers and it's all going to be put together by my little elves. Boom. Okay, it is finished. Okay, let's see what fits in here. To be honest, it's pretty good quality, in my opinion. You know, you can throw on your cylinder right here for your gas. Your welder can go right here, and there's plenty of space for accessories. To be honest, for the price, I think this one is a good one, for only being like $150 or whatever. Yeah, overall, I would highly recommend this Vulcan stand because it is very good quality. And for the price, in my opinion, it is a very good thing to have in your welding collection. But thank you for watching. Have a good day.